Hey there, Dean from Dean of Machines. If you're interested in seeing this car in person, this is our 1967 Volvo Amazon 122 that was abandoned for 35 years in the woods. Of course, we've been through the car up and down, drive it all the time. It's my favorite thing to drive. We are going to be in Chattanooga, Tennessee tomorrow at Riverside 9. It's a big car show, lots of stuff going on. I'm going to go find every single Volvo there and try to talk to anybody who's involved. So if you want to come say hi to me, please swing by, look for the car, try to find me. I'll try to have my big straw hat on so you can find me. Riverside 9 in Chattanooga, Tennessee. You can check it out on the internets there. If you find me, I'll give you a sticker. How about that? Free sticker. Right? Incentives and all that. I think it's going to be a fun weekend. Anyway, how about you get in your garage and fix something, huh?